We've had lots of renders and a few low-resolution images, but today we finally have some detailed high-resolution leaks of the S10 and S10 Plus, and they're looking good. What's up guys, SuperSaf here, and these latest leaks come from leaker Max J for the German website all about Samsung and have been approved by a reputable leaker on leaks. The first image shows the S10 and S10 Plus in high resolution side by side for the first time, confirming previous leaks. We've got minimal bezels on both devices with a single punch out for the front-facing camera on the S10 and a dual punch out for the S10 Plus. And this time we don't have a case or a screen protector obstructing our view. We see them in their full glory. I'm liking them. What about you guys? Definitely let me know in the comments below. They both appear to be using one UI, and we can see some of the icons pushed towards the sides of the punch holes. And we also get the very first look at the back and bottom of the devices, something we've not seen previously. And a lot of you guys will be very pleased to know that we do see a headphone jack. This is something that a lot of you guys were asking about in the previous leaks and rumors roundup. And from these leaks, it seems to be confirmed that we are gonna have a 3.5mm jack. Good news. In addition to the 3.5mm jack, we see a speaker grill, a mic, and a USB Type-C ports. And moving towards the back, we see the triple camera setup on both the S10 and S10 Plus. Now previously, it was thought that the S10 would have dual cameras and the triple camera setup would be reserved for the S10 Plus. But based on this leak, as well as the recent leak from Evan Blass, it does seem like we're gonna have triple rear-facing cameras for both the S10 and S10 Plus, which is good news. They're horizontally stacked and we don't currently have the specs, but it does look likely that we're gonna have a regular angle of view camera, a telephoto camera with optical zoom, and an ultra wide camera. Now, in addition to the standard midnight black that we usually see, we do see a new color, and this one has a bit of a gradient. Looks pretty interesting. There may also be some other gradient finishes, but currently these are the two colors that we see. And unfortunately, there are still no leaked images of the S10e, the lighter version, which is considered to be more affordable. This is supposedly gonna have a flat screen with a dual camera setup. We've seen renders of this, but no actual images. I'm sure those will be coming very, very soon though. In addition to this main leak, we've also had another leaked image of the S10 yesterday, confirming once again the small bezels and a punch hole camera cutout with a Samsung blockchain key store app. Now this appears to be a native cryptocurrency wallet app that's going to be introduced on the S10s, and it's described as a secure and convenient place for your cryptocurrency. From what we can see, it appears that you'll be able to import your different cryptocurrencies and have them biometrically secured on the devices. So for any of you guys who are into your cryptocurrency, this might be quite interesting. And those are the recent leaks that we've had. It's nice to actually see them in the flesh in high resolution. What do you guys think of the S10 and S10 Plus based on these leaks? Definitely let me know in the comments below. Of course, as we lead up to the 20th of February, when these devices are officially going to be announced, there are going to be more leaks, maybe a leaked video as well. If there is, then we'll be sure to cover it here on the channel. And if you want to see all of that first, then be sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss any new videos. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it useful. If you did, then do hit that thumbs up button for me. Thanks for watching. This is Saf on SuperSaf TV, and I'll see you next time.